Car thieves are constantly evolving, but so are car alarms. Would your vehicle survive a modern break-in attempt? Today, we're diving into the 5 best car alarm systems on the market, ranking them from 5 to 1. If you value your car and your peace of mind, stick around. We've tested these products hands-on, uncovering their features, quirks, and which ones truly stand out when it comes to keeping your vehicle safe. 5. Tevlaphee steering wheel lock with alarm. Starting off at number 5 is the Tevlaphee steering wheel lock with alarm. This is a physical anti-theft mechanism that combines a time-tested steering lock with an integrated alarm system. On first use, the build quality stands out. It feels substantial in your hands, giving the sense that you're installing a serious deterrent, not just a cheap gimmick. Made from hardened steel, it's robust, and the bright yellow color acts as a solid visual warning for would-be thieves. When you attach the Tevlaphee to your steering wheel, it restricts movement, making it impossible to drive away even if someone manages to start the ignition. The alarm is triggered by any significant movement, emitting a piercing, attention-grabbing sound. The sensitivity seems well calibrated. It won't go off due to mild vibrations, but reacts appropriately to real tampering attempts, which is crucial in busy parking lots where false alarms are a nuisance. One standout feature is its universal fit. It easily attaches to most steering wheels, and the extra long bar even locks your wheel to the brake pedal in certain vehicles for added security. In my testing, installation was straightforward and the locking mechanism slid into place smoothly. The kit includes 3 keys and protective covers to keep your steering wheel scratch-free. However, the physical nature of this device comes with drawbacks. It's bulkier than you might expect, making storage awkward if you're short on trunk space. Installation does require a bit of maneuvering, especially reaching into the footwell. Definitely not ideal for those with back or mobility issues. 4. LNKERCO SF18R. This wireless, vibration-sensing alarm is designed for drivers looking for a simple, cost-effective layer of security. It works by detecting shock or vibrations. If someone fiddles with your vehicle, the device triggers a loud alarm, alerting you and scaring off troublemakers. During my testing, what struck me first was how easy it was to install. The KSS F18R is magnetic and battery-powered, so you can attach it just about anywhere in your car without any complicated wiring or modifications, making it friendly even for those with zero car DIY skills. The alarm's performance is where mixed feelings arise. The sensitivity is adjustable, but getting it just right can be a challenge. Set it too high, and gusty winds or large trucks passing by can set off the alarm. Too low, and you risk missing subtle theft attempts. I found the alarm to be loud enough to get attention, but a determined thief might try to muffle or remove it, especially since it's easy to locate once triggered. As a budget pick, it offers solid deterrence for the price, but compared to more advanced systems, it lacks additional features like smartphone alerts or GPS tracking. Battery life depends on how frequently the alarm is triggered, and while it claims a decent lifespan, you need to remember to check and change batteries periodically. Its best use is as a secondary alarm or for drivers who want something easier and quicker than full alarm installations. 3. Compustar CS7900-AS. If you're seeking a blend of security, convenience, and tech, the CS7900-AS stands out. One of the first things I noticed during testing is just how complete the package is. You get a 2-way LCD remote, backup remote, and all the sensors and modules needed for robust security. The remote has a fantastic range, up to 3,000 feet, meaning you can lock, unlock, or start your vehicle from a significant distance. Perfect for hot summers or freezing winters. The system responds in real time, sending confirmations back to your remote so you know whether the command went through, which really reassures you that your vehicle's secure or started. Security-wise, the CS7900-AS impresses with its dual-zone shock sensor, starter-kill relay, and a powerful 105 dB alarm siren. It covers all entry points, doors, trunk, hood, detecting unauthorized entry swiftly. Through installation, I appreciated the customizable options like silent arm, disarm, great for late-night returns, panic mode, and programmable timers. The LED deterrent light is a small but effective touch, signaling to thieves that your car's protected. Downsides? The system isn't plug-and-play. It requires professional installation to ensure compatibility and to avoid wiring errors. It's more expensive than basic alarms, but you're paying for advanced features and quality. Also, the constant communication with the remote can impact your car's battery slightly over long periods if it sits unused. In use, the Compustar CS7900-AS delivers top-level security and convenience that genuinely feels pro-grade. It's a step up for anyone wanting more than just basic protection. 2. CARLOCK OBD. Runner-up goes to the CARLOCK OBD, a smart alarm and tracker that redefines car security for the digital age. Unlike typical alarms, CARLOCK plugs into your car's OBD port and connects to your smartphone. From setup, it's clear that this is for tech-savvy users. The interface is clean, simple, and feeds you real-time data directly on your device. What really blew me away is the constant monitoring. CARLOCK detects unauthorized movements, vibration, engine starts, even harsh driving. If something's off, you get an instant alert on your phone wherever you are. For busy city dwellers or those who travel often, this peace of mind is hard to beat. The GPS tracking is highly accurate, making it invaluable for vehicle recovery if the worst happens. I appreciated features like battery drain and tampering alerts. They've clearly thought about more than just nighttime thieves, giving you early warnings for both security and maintenance. You can even track driving analytics, ideal if you share your car with teens or employees. However, CARLOCK isn't flawless. The unit is relatively easy to find and remove, so a thief familiar with OBD systems could potentially disable it if they know what to look for. Some cars may need a repositioned OBD port or an extender cable, which adds to setup time. Monthly subscription fees apply for full functionality, but the value for features like location tracking justifies it for most users. YOMTOVM car alarm system. This device stands out not only for its comprehensive protection, but also for its outstanding reliability and value. The YOMTOVM system is designed for 12-volt vehicles and comes with remote controls, highly sensitive sensors, and a powerful 125 dB siren that's more than capable of drawing attention during an attempted theft. Installation is refreshingly simple, suitable even for less technically inclined users, while remaining adaptable enough for most car models. During field testing, I found operation straightforward. Arming, disarming, and activating the siren all worked flawlessly via the remotes, and the system reliably detected unauthorized entries on doors, trunks, and the hood. One key feature is the built-in kill switch function, which can disable the engine and prevent a thief from driving away, a serious upgrade over basic alarms. Sensitivity levels can be adjusted for your environment to minimize false alarms, and the loudness of the siren is genuinely impressive. The maximum remote range, up to 100 meters, is ample for large parking lots or driveways. YOMTOVM's reviews consistently praise its reliability and affordability. It packs top-tier security features into a price point that doesn't break the bank. In my experience, the system stayed consistent through weeks of daily use and provided solid peace of mind without requiring constant tinkering or maintenance. In terms of security, cost, and ease of use, YOMTOVM outshines the competition. If you're seeking a proven, effective car alarm, this system definitely deserves your attention. Final thought. There you have it, the 5 best car alarms of the year, ranked and reviewed. Whether you want a simple deterrent or the latest in smart protection, one of these products is sure to keep your car safe. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest in car tech and security.